Once I stopped caring about people, what they say, what they think, things changed. Things changed a lot in a positive way. You wanna know how I taught my brain to stop caring? This is a game changer, a big game changer, because you could not come up with the courage of doing it because of your surroundings, because of the people around you, and you always think that maybe they're gonna judge you, they will call you cringe, and blah 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 blah. But if doing that thing makes you happy, then please go for it. Please do it without the fear of judgment, without thinking about others. Stand for yourself, live for yourself. Do not think about the crowd. They are just crowd. This is your life. So whatever you want to do and whatever makes you feel happy, do it without thinking about others' perspective. Wondering what your friends will say, how your relatives will react, even worrying about strangers from online will judge you. Ever felt like you're living for someone else's approval and not yours? I used to be exactly like that until I decided it's not gonna work like this. I want to live for myself and not for somebody else. Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel Growing with Mrigs. Today I'm sharing how I stopped caring what people think, and honestly this is one of the biggest glow up shifts in my life. When you stop caring about other people, you suddenly have space to do things what you have always wanted to do without worrying about others. So this is for everyone who's exhausted because of people pleasing, or somebody who has been procrastinating to do something that they wanted to but they could not because of the fear of judgment from your people, from surroundings, or even from the people online whom you don't even know. I don't know if I should call myself a people pleaser or not, but I was so naive back then that I used to care about people a lot. This is not a bad thing. Obviously, it's a good thing, it's a good trait, but it should not be up to an extent that you are hampering yourself, hampering your work, hampering your peace, your space, just for the sake of others. I used to think a lot, even before speaking or doing something in front of others, कि कहीं सामने वाले को कुछ खराब ना लग जाए, कहीं बुरा ना मान जाए मेरे बातों का, कहीं मेरे एक्शंस का गलत मतलब ना निकाल ले. So I used to overthink a lot. Even छोटा सेंटेंस बोलने में भी I used to think कि ये बोलने पे कहीं इनको ऐसा ना लग जाए. When I was in school, I would not even utter a word or even argue, even if I was unhappy. Instead, I would come home, complain about it, rant about it, and cry in front of my parents. When I was in college, I would say yes to every plan, even if I was not that excited about it, just because I didn't want to seem boring, and I didn't want to make the other person feel bad. Even at work, I used to work extra hours, used to work late, I skipped my meals, I stopped taking breaks, not because I wanted to. And then I think every decision went through this filter. What others will think. Everything I did, it went through this filter, and it made me miserable. And then there was a turning point. The shift happened slowly once I started realizing certain things. I realized most people do not actually care. And yes, this is true. I was stressing about my one Instagram post and contemplating should I post this or not. I was thinking how my friends will react. Will they support me or will they say this is cringe? But dude, they don't have time. Like, nobody has time. Look, people has so many things to do in their life, and लोग जिनको काम करना है, who has goals in their life, they would not sit and gossip about others. And even if they do, for how long? 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour, चलो ठीक है, मान लेते हैं gossip करते हैं, सब करते हैं, हम भी करते हैं कभी कभी. We do talk sometimes with our friends also that, oh, have you seen that person, he is doing that. Okay, fine, कर लिया. But for how long? Maximum 1 hour, चलो maximum 2 hours, not more than that. Nobody has time. So they'll talk about you and they'll forget, and there you are. जो तुम्हारे बारे में, आपके बारे में, they're just gossiping for maximum 2 hours, and there you are stressing about this, thinking about others' opinion, and not doing what you wanted, not posting this, not going out, not dressing up. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. So, guys, do what you want without caring about others, without thinking about others' opinion. Ask yourself one question: if you weren't scared of judgment, what would you actually do? I'm pretty sure the answer would be you would want to do all the things that you could not do because of the fear of judgment, or that you always wanted to do and you have been procrastinating, and you're almost on the verge of doing, but then you're overthinking a lot and then stopping there. But guys, this is your life. This is your only chance. लोग आते जाते रहेंगे, 4 लोग 4 बातें करेंगे, but do not think about that and waste your chance and time. And people will give opinions. What's the big deal in that? क्या आपने कभी किसी के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोला है? Obviously you must have done that. Obviously. And what's the big deal? Like, actually, what's the big deal? So don't let it bother you and rule you. Just do your damn thing. लोगों का काम है बात करना, लोग बात करेंगे, आप काम करो, that is the freedom. You wanna know how I taught my brain to stop caring? Curate your circle, and by this I mean avoid people who are complaining, who are always complaining. And trust me, these are the most negative people. Like, they're most negative people, their energy is so negative. They are always whining and complaining about things. They always see the negative in everything. मतलब कुछ भी हो रहा है ना उसमें they will always see the negative thing and they'll start complaining. They will never see the positive thing. हर चीज में positive and negative दोनों होता है. It's your choice whether you want to see the bright side or the dark side. But nahi, this kind of people will always pick the dark side and start whining about it, complaining about it. They themselves are so miserable in life, they are so negative in life, and they're not happy. I'm telling you, they are the unhappy people, and they make others also unhappy. So please, if you know anybody like that, and if you get that feeling from somebody who's always complaining, or कुछ भी हो, किसी के भी बारे में, कुछ भी चीज के बारे में, they cannot say anything nice, please, like, you must cut off from such kind of people or such energy, please. And if you are somebody who is like this type of person who's always negative, then I'm telling you, you need to change this. You need to change how you see life, how you perceive things. You need to change your perspective, or else, I'm sorry to say, until and unless you change your way, you won't find happiness in anything, because you're always crying, you're always complaining. When you're always complaining, you're not allowing yourself to see the bright side, then how can you be happy? So if you're somebody like this, then you need to change yourself, please. And if you know somebody like this, then please cut off, like बहुत जल्दी cut off. Even if that person is your closest, like, you need to cut off. So there is one more kind, that is the jealous type of people. If you can identify that type of people really easily, that is very good. But there are also some kind of people जो मुंह पे बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, and then पीठ पीछे they are very jealous of you. So they are not the true people that you need in your life. So please cut them off from your life and keep a very small circle of good, positive, supportive people. Whenever you feel like these people are not good for you, not good for your energy, or for your environment, or for your mental health and your space, then just remove it. And do not feel guilty in removing people from your life, because bhai bachpan se hum abhi, like, it's a long life. बचपन के the school wale friends are not always gonna stick to you, the college wale friends are not always gonna stick to you. So remember, it's always fine to remove people. Just keep a handful of good, trusted, supportive people. You don't need thousands of people to walk with you. If you have even one good, true friend, or anybody with you, it's enough. You don't need a whole world to walk with you. So it's fine to cut off people, to remove people. It's for your own sanity. If you're not doing it, probably with your own life experiences, you will someday realize. I hope not you come across some circumstances like I did. I came across some life circumstances where I had to remove people from my life, willingly and unwillingly. Time and life will itself filter out people from your life. It's not like everybody is gonna stay with you until the very end. So it's fine. Up is practice saying no, and this is a big game changer. It's not just about saying no. Speak up whenever you're uncomfortable. Speak up. And especially if you are a girl, then please keep yourself very firm. So the best practice is to learn to say no and learn to speak up for yourself whenever you are not happy or whenever you are uncomfortable with something or whenever you don't agree to something. All right. And yes, it's not like that you have done 2 or 3 things and you have become a pro in this. It's not like that. It's a long continuous process. You have to keep practicing it. Yes, it's a practice, I would say, because we all are humans at the end, and it's a humanly nature that before we do something we always think about. Suppose, like, very basic example, we are going out somewhere and then we for girls specifically, because this is something that we face. We are going out somewhere and then we would always think, should I wear this or not? Is this too much? Will I be overdressed? People, how people will look at me if I wear that, this, that, blah, 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 blah. So it's a very humanly nature. Even me till date, sometimes this thoughts come to my mind. So as I said, this is a prolonged process. This is a continuous practice. You have to keep this in practice. So automatically with time, things will get smooth. Once I stopped caring about what people say, what people think, what people would do, etc., 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 things changed. Things really changed in a positive way. Now I do things how I want and what I want without any second thoughts. I say no to draining plans and to negative and draining people. So this was it for the video. Thank you very much for watching. Save this video if you catch yourself people pleasing next time, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. I post every Wednesday. And comment one thing that you would do if you didn't have the fear of judgment. I'm really curious. So until then, see you in the next one. Bye.